If you're thinking about upgrading your electrical diagnosis skills, learning how to diagnose no start issues will be a very handy tool to know whenever faced with the problem. Here's another great course you could take which covers almost all vehicle types of no start, no crank issues. The Automotive Starting System and Schematic Diagnosis course done by Stephen Lagori breaks down the most common types of issues when dealing with no starts. Steve's been an ASC certified mechanic 35 years and an electrical specialist for 25 years in the dealerships. The course covers manual and automatic transmissions with various types of electrical circuits. The diagrams shown in this course are practically the same for all vehicle types. With simple steps to remember, it makes diagnosing challenging starting problems into much more manageable solutions. Another bonus to this course is that it gets very detailed with showing the starter motor skeleton and how the skeleton works in an electric schematic. Although that sounds advanced, the instructor does a great job of simplifying it into easy to understand visuals. I've never seen anyone up to this point show this type of bonus lesson, and it is another reason I'm happy I bought the course. You'll be shown two examples in the course which will be the most common symptoms of a no start. That is, your car doesn't start and you don't hear a click, or your car doesn't start but you do hear a click. Like the first two courses, you may have to give some of the lessons a second listen. The lessons may be a bit challenging at first, but after a while they should make sense as it did for me. Steve will give you real life shortcuts to determine where your issues are without having to check every single part of the starting system circuit. I highly recommend this course as it is common to run into no start issues with your vehicle sooner or later. This was the case with me a few years back. I had to diagnose a no start issue, and eventually that led me to finding an ignition switch at fault. I probably saved thousands of dollars of doing the work myself rather than going to the dealer. The course is affordable for the college level summer training you receive. Well worth to take your electrical skills to the next level.
Automotive for Beginners.